Let's take a look at some Sports Hero figure kits. 1965's Dempsey vs. Firpo. This is the most common of all the sports kits. It's molded in flesh plastic and consisted of 2 fighters and a referee and a ring and a sign. You can still find this kit sealed in the original box quite commonly. The first of 2 football kits, 1965's Jimmy Brown. Molded in light gray plastic with a green molded base. This kit has 3 players and a sign, which has very poor relief on it and was difficult to paint. These kits included numbered decals to put on the players. And here's a close-up look of Jimmy Brown. 1965's Johnny Unitas kit. Johnny Unitas came molded in flesh tone plastic with a green playing field base. It was originally designed to have a cardboard backdrop, but it was not added actually in the kit. Some early advertisements of this kit show it with the cardboard backdrop. Here's a close-up of Johnny. 1965's Jerry West kit, the only basketball kit in the series. Came with a tan base and flesh tone figures and a backboard with a net. This is a really nice kit to build. And this kit is a little tougher to find. It also came with a decal sheet. Willie Mays, 1965. This kit breaks all the rules. It only has 1 figure and has the slender long box, not like any of the other sports kits. Willie Mays is by far the rarest of the bunch. Molded in light gray plastic, showing his famous catch. 1965's Babe Ruth kit. Babe Ruth is the second hardest to find in the sports series, and it was the only kit that actually was produced with a full-color cardboard backdrop. Babe is seen here hitting his 60th home run with a catcher and an umpire. And Babe and his 2 friends are molded in flesh tone plastic, while the base was molded in green plastic.